Hey, what's everybody? So in front of you, I just want to give you a quick overview of the DELACK Enclosure that I got off of Amazon. So I have to print all the red pieces by myself with my 3D printer. Here is the Prusa MK4. So this kit mainly comes with the hardware that you see, screws, nuts, and the plexiglass. Everything else that's plastic you have to print yourself. They do provide the files, so again, these are not included. I did print spool holder. It comes with the rubber grommets. It does come with the LED light that goes inside, but I didn't print it yet. Here you can change out to whatever you want. You just have to modify the file. It's just printer 1, 2, a door to it. There is no bottom. So it is, as you can see, just 4 sides and the top. There are rubber feet on the inside. So as you can see here, it is slightly raised. So I'll slide this right here and it stops right there. So it is raised a little. Here is a fan. This one I got off of Amazon for 15 bucks. But you can use a Noctua fan, 120 millimeter. But this one's about 15 bucks, got off of Amazon. It's mainly just to pull out some of the heat because the PSU, power supply unit, is on the inside. And here is the controller for it. I have it set on the lowest setting. They do have a bracket for their wide camera, but I had them print a blank base, and then I printed my own base and just used double-sided tape to mount it so I can attach my UV indoor camera. There is a plastic support that goes in the middle in case you wanted something a little bit more sturdy. Here's the back side of it. This here, I just printed and just double-sided tape it just to hold my sheets. And as you can see in the back, there is an opening for the wire to come out of. So again, just the Prusa MK4. Again, plastic pieces are printed. You have to print them out. They provide the files. It's mainly just to cover the sharp edges. And you can access the printer either through the front, or if you're servicing it, you can actually take out the screws on all sides and then lift up the top if you want top-down access. So here I have what would have been the USB thumb drive for my files, but I have a right angle USB cable extension going from here underneath out the back, coming through, and it's right here. So this is an easier access for me to get into the USB drive rather than having to open it, try and pull it out from there. And I can just easily just turn around, pull it out, put into my computer, transfer files, put it back in there. And as you can see, the front is more clear, whereas with the other ones it's more opaque. And the only reason why I did that was because it kind of just diffuses the light, blurs it, and it's not as noticeable when it comes to fingerprints. It might be hard to see, but there's fingerprints on the plexi. So I only peeled off the protective coverings from the front so I can see from the inside. As you can see, the other side is more opaque and you can't really see through the other side. I think this just gives a cleaner look. Same thing for the back. It's not peeled off on both sides. So just a quick overview of the DELACK. It's a great option. And this will fit on the LACK table from IKEA if you want to put this on top of it. So again, it comes with all the hardware. Pretty much anything that's red, you just have to print yourself.